Hi guys, I've been thinking a lot about place value at the moment. So join me in this lesson so you can see exactly what I've been thinking about. So I know that you get units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, going all the way into millions and billions and trillions. And when I think about those on a number line, those are all the natural numbers starting at 1. In fact, 1 is the smallest number that you can get in that place value because 1 unit is the lowest number that you can get. So it's all the talking about fractions that we've been doing that is confusing me, because I know on a number line, the fractions, especially a proper fraction, is less than 1. So it will come between 0 and 1 on the number line. But what about in our place value chart? Well, I know that our entire number system is a base 10 number system, because if you look at your unit, and you times it by 10, you get tens. And when you times 10 by 10, you get 100. And when you times 100 by 10, you get 1,000. And I also know that this goes the other way. 1,000 divided by 10 would give me the 100. 100 divided by 10 would give me 10. And 10 divided by 10 would take me back to 1, which is the units column. So that made me start thinking, if 1 is my smallest unit on my place value, and I wanted to get smaller, I would have to divide. What if I took my 1 whole unit and I divided it by 10? What would happen then? You may want to pause now and think about that. What is 1 or a unit divided by 10? Let's have a look. If I take 1 circle and I divide it into 10 equal parts, so 1 divided by 10, what do I get? Tenths. That's right. Did you get that? Right, so when I go to the units column and I divide by 10, I am getting less than 1 whole. I'm going to be getting my fractions. And we saw that that started with tenths. Right, so going from our units all the way, like we said, to billions and trillions are all our whole numbers. And then going towards the right of our units are our fractions. And these are separated by a decimal comma. And the other difference is you will see that these place values are written in lowercase letters. So to the right of the decimal comma, we get tenths, which can be written as out of 10, then hundredths, which can be written as out of 100, and thousandths, which can be written as out of 1,000.